Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei Honor 7S to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Clone It. Then open it, tap Allow, and agree. You want to go with sender on Huawei and receiver on an Android. Tap Allow again and click Search again. Tap on available device, and from here you have two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will tap to scan, click Allow and scan the code because it's faster. Accept connection request by clicking OK and wait. Normally, you want to tap all of those folders and click Start to continue and send all of your files. But it will take a lot of time, so I will just click here to choose details, go with music, and pick only one file, for example this song. So I have to click on it, click Start, OK, and wait. Now tap Finish, and when I go into folder files or downloads and choose audio, I can see that my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!